Men of high mate value lean towards the benefit provisioning behaviors because they have the resources relative to performance. So it's much easier for a man of high mate value and the money to support that high mate value to give you gifts because they actually have the resources. They can buy you a new car, buy you a new ring, buy you anything that you want, give you the credit card, right? Because they can perform the benefit provisioning because they can. And then men of low mate value lack material resources and therefore employ cost-inflicting mate retention behaviors to thwart partner infidelity and defection. They lack the resources to perform the benefit provisioning. So they may have a job and be stable, but they don't have what the high mate value man might have. And so to keep you on the hook, they will perform cost-inflicting mate retention behaviors like jealousy. You spend too much time with your family. You spend too much time with your girlfriend. You're going to wear that dress? You sure you don't want to exercise? I mean, you're kind of gaining a little bit weight, even though you just had a baby, right? And so the goal for them would be to retain you. And so because they don't have the economic and financial ability to buy you a $300,000 home, a $500,000 home, they have to do something to keep you because they know that the $50,000 a year that you are making is really not keeping you. And so they don't have the same types of resources that a high mate value would have relative to them performing the benefit provisioning behaviors. Thus, men of low mate value who have a lower status job might use violence on their partners for mate retention. Even a man of low mate value can and will marry someone else.